Hello. Today let's talk about the Castrol Engine Shampoo. The Castrol launched a new engine shampoo. This is a solvent-free pre-oil treatment reducing the engine sludge. It removes up to 85% of engine sludge in gasoline engines. It maintains efficient operation of both gasoline and light diesel engines and counteracts build-up of sludge, which is exacerbated by stop-and-go urban driving. The engine shampoo provides significant profit potential for workshops. The Castrol has launched a new pre-oil change treatment, the Castrol Engine Shampoo, which helps maintain the efficient operation of a gasoline and light diesel engines. It reduces harmful sludge deposit by up to 85% in gasoline engines. That's really cool. And the engine sludge builds up over time in an engine and it's not removed during a standard oil change. It can clog vital oil passageways, reducing the power, the efficiency, and overall engine life. And the engine oil can degrade at very high temperatures and offers the time this can manifest as a build-up of sludge, explains the Gareth Bracci, one of the Castrol's engineers. This process is exacerbated by frequent short journeys, high RPM driving, such as going uphill or by low quality fuel, late or missed oil changes, and by the stop and go journey, which are become increasingly common in conquest cities. The engine cleaner market is currently dominated by salt-based products that can degrade engine seals and dislodge sludge in the form of a larger deposit, causing blockage and leading to oil leaks. The Castrol Engine Shampoo contains salt-free powerful cleaning agents, the PCA. Additive technology delivers a deep jet engine and gentle clean. The new product can be used safely in both gasoline and light diesel engine, as well as in motorbikes and light commercial vehicles. One bottle of the engine shampoo is effective for vehicles that use 3 liter or 6 liter of engine oil. It is recommended for use to every other oil change, mainly for older and high mileage vehicles. However, it can also be used for new vehicles as a prevention measure, of course. The engine shampoo helps to maintain the engine power and efficiency by dissolving and flushing out the sludge during the oil change process. The application takes 10 minutes prior to servicing and can happen anywhere in the car, can be safely parked. After the engine has warmed the oil, it is switched off and 300 milliliter of engine shampoo is added. The engine is then switched back on and left idle for 10 minutes. The sludge transfers to the engine oil, which is then drained with the engine off and the filters are replaced. This process maximizes the cleaning of the engine internals, ensuring the new engine oil can perform at optimal levels. And it's really easy. If your modern driving makes the engine work harder, which creates dirt and sludge that can clog vital engine parts. This can have an impact on the engine operative of it for removed during the oil change. The sludge can build up without being noticed due to the use of the low-quality oil. The oil change delayed or missed, the driving under touch conditions. For example, frequent short-distance driving, stop and start, busy driving, and driving uphill and downhill. And it is a pre-oil change treatment with a powerful cleaning agent that removes the engine sludge and wraps up it dirt particles. This helping to drain freely and clean the engine ready for the fresh oil. Is salt-free and therefore it doesn't damage the vital oil seals. It contains powerful cleaning agents which helps to remove the sludge deposit from metal surfaces of the engine. It removes up to 85% of sludge in gasoline engine. It can also be used in light diesel engines. And it's quick. We can use Castrol Engine Shampoo while the car is waiting to be serviced. There's no need to occupy the RAM prior to the oil change. We pour the engine shampoo into the oil. Then we idle the engine for 10 minutes. This is really important. And after this, we drain the oil. We ensure to change the oil filter as well, of course. Okay? And after this process, we can pour new oil into the engine. And then, job's done. We can go back on the street with a new powerful engine, which is cleaned by the Castrol Engine Shampoo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.